Got mold or water damage? Palmetto Mold Experts have got you covered. We're the experts in fast, reliable mold removal and water damage restoration. At Palmetto Mold Experts, we understand how stressful mold and water damage can be. That's why our team is committed to providing quick and efficient services to get your home back to normal in no time. Our skilled technicians use the latest technology and methods to ensure your home is thoroughly cleaned and safe. We pride ourselves on our fast response times and excellent customer service, so you can trust us to handle the job with care and precision. Homeowners all across the region trust Palmetto Mold Experts for our expertise and dedication to quality. We've helped countless families restore their homes and breathe easy again. Don't let mold or water damage ruin your home. Take action today. Visit palmettomoldexperts.com to learn more about our services and schedule your consultation. Let Palmetto Mold Experts restore your peace of mind.